Hello friends, my name is Coder's Destiny, and so today I'm going to be showing you all how to make an awesome outro using Canva. So now let us start. Okay, so now what we have to do is that we have to go to the search bar and open Canva up. So let me just open Canva. So now after you just open Canva, then you should go to the search bar, just wait for it to load. So I'll just repeat again. Go to the search bar, create a design, search bar, then go to video right here. So after you've gone to video, just wait till it loads. Okay, so now that it's loaded, you can see all of these outro templates right here. This is the one that I use for my outro. I've edited it. But today we are going to concentrate on how to make your custom outro. So first what you want to do is go to background right over here. Then just choose any color or any background that you would want. So you can choose this, anything. So for now I'll work with like a background color. So choose your background color. I'm going to choose aqua. Now you need to find like a circle kind of shape. So you can grab a circle by going to elements and then going to shapes. So now I'm going to make the circle a bit smaller so that your icon picture can fit in it. So I think this should be more than enough. Then you can go here. You can turn this to white, as white I think fits very well with aqua. So now what you can do is that you can drag this one right here, a square, and just turn it into a rectangle by just adjusting the size properly. So yes, so let's just adjust this size. So I think a bit more, yeah, that would look good. So now you can bring that there. You can Control C, Control V, and you can bring this to the same side, and then you can make it so that both of them have the same proportions. Okay, so now after this, you can put any text up here that you want. So for example, I'm going to drag some text. Right here, I'm going to add a heading, and then I am going to put thanks for watching. So there's a Canva update, I'll just skip that for now. So thanks for watching. So after you've done this, all you need to do is that you need to drag this right in the center, about over here. Just drag it till you feel like it's perfect, or you can use this. Then double click it and change it to whatever color you want. So I'll change this to white right here. Now after I've changed this to white, it looks pretty good, but we see this blank space right here. So here you can put all of your social media like Twitter, Facebook, etc, etc. So you can put anything. You can put YouTube too, even though people are watching. For now I'll put YouTube since I don't really have any social media. So let's just go there. So you can just put YouTube like that. You can bring it a bit closer right here and just make it a bit smaller. There you go. Then just bring it like that. I would bring it to the center personally. So I'll just bring it to the center. I'll just make it go a bit down. And then I will put coders. I'll put like @coders Destiny. So after you've done that, I'll just switch that. Now you can change your text color and then you can change your font. For now I'll just bolden it up a bit. So I'll just bolden it. So it should be bold now, if I'm not wrong. There may be some, yes, so as you can see it's boldened up almost. So here, so I'll just go to open sans extra bold right here. So now that I've got that, it looks pretty good actually. So now what you can do, you can center it, etc, etc, do whatever you want with it. And now if you want to make it longer, you can go here and then you can just make it longer for how much ever you want. I would like choose about 12 seconds or so. Then you can go to animated, and as you can see, you can do that, you can do this, you can do this. I'll choose this for now, and so now I will just download my video. I'll choose MP4 high quality video and I'll click the download button. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. After I download the video, this intro will be as a Google Drive link. So in the YouTube editor, all you need to do to make this intro look good, outro look good, is that you would want to put your thing, thumbnail, etc. You would want to edit it using the YouTube editor. So you want to edit it using the YouTube editor. Put your thing, your profile picture, playlist, video, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, hit that like button and subscribe, and also join my Discord server, link in the description. And I will be putting this outro right here as a Google Drive link, which you can access easily, and so you can see my outro and then you can use Canva to make your own. Bye.